That's right, Slimy. It's time for another chapter of The Adventures of Trash Gordon. Oh, he just loves reading trash. Here we go. Chapter 692. When we last left our hero, he was on the planet Snore a lot, trying to get some sleep. Even heroes need some shut-eye. Unfortunately, all the Snoretians were snoring. Even the pillows and blankets were snoring. It was a sight for snore eyes. How would Trash ever get to sleep with all that noise? Luckily, our hero had brought along something noisier, his bugle. Everyone woke up. Trash heroically turned to them and said,
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter Z and by the number 11.
Then our hero boldly fell asleep. No. That's enough thrills for now, Slimo. Just hit the sack and I'll read you more trash tomorrow. He loves adventures.